科学家伫真侪年前就知影海底这种动物真巧，不过即马有一个新的发现，澳洲有一种海底会捡海绵来当做保护喙的套仔，伊若伫咧海底石头仔旁内底咧找食的，较袂着伤。
澳大利亚西南部的沙希湾，部分海底会用一种独门的机卡来掠食物，秘诀是伫喙的上头前吐一块海底捡来的海绵。
Basket shaped about this size, and they will stick it on the front of their rostrum, and then use it to nose through the sediment, probe through the sand and the rocks and whatever, and scare up all the fish. And so then once they've scared up a fish, they will drop the sponge off of the front of their face, and they will go after the fish, grab it, pick up their sponge again, and keep going.
就亲像人咧佚佗少爱挂手套仔保护，海绵也会当保护海底咧找食物的时，袂互大鸟挂着伤。科学家讲，这是一种非常罕见的机卡，伫沙希湾的几个海底族群当中，敢若5趴，也就是大约30只海底会用海绵。主要是海底阿母甲海底阿囝生落来了后，带因生活的3、4年期间，互因哪看哪学，传承落去。毋过嘛，毋是每一只的后代拢会当学会晓。 研究团队即马进一步发现，海绵虽然会当保护喙，毋过却也会妨碍海底的回声定位，也就是对惊吓发出声波，亲像声呐共款探索环境、锁定食物的能力。但是使用海绵的海底也克服这个障碍。
Possibly wearing a pair of glasses in the wrong prescription. You know, everything looks a little bit weird, but you can still learn how to make do with that. You can learn how to compensate, and so that's what we think the dolphins are doing. They are echolocating even with the sponge, but they have to compensate for something getting in the way.
相关的研究报告刊伫7月皇家开放科学期刊。专家讲，沙希湾的海底是唯一方发现会使用海绵的族群，因为当地几60年来拢是海洋保护区，保存完整的生态环境，也让科学家有机会对顶世纪80年代观察到今仔日，记录这种方式安怎代代传承。公司新闻是会长编译。